My local, but for the grade that size, for 45,000. Lakini kikile pelenya loso cha kubiona.
What is it? The river, something?
It doesn't have a tap to close it.
Can you show me a hole there? Some kind of hole here or something. I don't know. A squirrel?
The smaller squirrels.
A rat?
Yeah, like the rats. They eat
The potatoes?
potatoes. Now that's their hole. It's not that small. You can find. Just go until that direction.
Oh,
It's dug small until you can find another hole there
okay.
for the outlet. So you can follow it here, you cannot get it. Yeah. It doesn't need this, it doesn't like the sun. It only sees at night. So it's inside there, it has got many outlets. When you close this, you can again
show up on another. Okay. This is a white one.
Lakini joto